Hi guys, and welcome to our channel. Glad to see you here. Today I want to share with you information how to buy Bitcoin safe, easy, and very fast, literally in a couple clicks. I'm using the platform and I want to share this platform with you because this platform is reliable. This platform is old one, and there's a lot of people who using this platform to make money online and to buy, sell, and save, to hold cryptocurrencies and other tools. There's plenty of tools on this platform to make money, but if we talking about the Bitcoin and how to buy Bitcoin right in this video, so I want to advise you to use this platform, not the others, because you can be unsafe in these conditions. But this platform is reliable for sure. It's old one and it will not disappear for tomorrow. So to sign up, you need to fulfill the first name, last name, phone number or email, password. Press the flag to confirm that you're 18 plus and you're opening an account for free, or you can use your Google Mail, or you can use your Facebook account to get in, or you can download the application for iOS or for Android, depending on which smartphone you use. And there is, look at that list, there's plenty of tools to make financial issues, to make a deposit or to withdraw funds. You have a lot of them, and of course Visa and MasterCard. You can use your cards, your plastic, to make purchases. I'm on the platform right now, so I will just log in. I will log in, and I want to show you the dashboard, the platform itself, so you will understand which buttons to press to buy or sell cryptocurrencies. Alrighty then, this is IQ option, I told you already. Link you can find in the description panel, and when you will be on the platform itself, you will find that here again, here the left corner, you have the list of tools. There's options, forex, stocks. You need to find the crypto, because we're talking about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies right now in this video. So you find the list, you find the crypto, you can see the list, and you can see all the information. The price right now is 10,866 or 69 already. 24-hour change is plus 1%. So you press in the Bitcoin, and you can see that all the things are working like that. I have couple of purchases. So here on the main screen, you can see how many Bitcoins you bought, how many like live cash and fiat money you spent on it, and your profit. Here on the list, you can see the separate positions, your separate positions. So I can close this position with a profit right now, for example, and leave this positions until it will bring me money, until it will bring me the profit. Or I can wait more, because if you watching the crypto news, you know that the prices again are rising, because this is like a second wave of cryptocurrency adoption, and a lot of people are interested again in the cryptocurrencies, because in 2017, after the drop, after the prices just fell down to the ground, a lot of people were disappointed about it, about all the cryptocurrencies and its adoption. And if you watch the news, if you like continue to pay attention to cryptocurrencies, you know that the price is going up for almost all the cryptocurrencies, but it's not fast. So you cannot trade like daily. Of course you can, but it will cost you. It will cost you like money. And if you're investing or you want to hold the cryptocurrency for some time and sell it after, this is a great platform, fantastic, absolutely fantastic platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. And there's a lot of them. It's 26 positions right in this list, and there's like pretty well known cryptos. Ripple, for example, what's happening with the Ripple? It's pretty straight. Let's buy for $500. Let's buy crypto, and you can see that it's pretty easy. Of course, any platform will take a small fee about it, about all the actions. And let's buy some Bitcoin for 1,000, for example. You see, I've opened the position, and this position will bring me money when the price will grow. That's it. That's pretty simple. That's pretty fantastic. And I'm holding my cryptos on this platform, and I don't need to download or buy the hardware for saving the cryptos like separately. Yeah, and the point is, literally everybody can buy Bitcoin or other cryptos. This is a great platform. I'm sharing it with you because I'm using it, and I believe that this platform is reliable, cool, pretty simple. The dashboard is absolutely cool. There's cool support, and so on and so on. And on this platform, you can count on. So guys, do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. This is the first and the main rule that I'm saying in every videos, because it's very important. I want you to make money, not to lose them. Do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, because this is pretty risky. All the types of investment are pretty risky, and I want you to be safe, first of all. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed, and hope you understood how to buy Bitcoin, and it's pretty simple and easy. So, link is in the description. Be my guest, use my link, and welcome to Big Profits. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.